Yukon is available with two gasoline-powered V8s and a diesel engine. The Elevation and AT4 models come standard with a 355 horsepower 5.3-liter V8. The Denali and Denali Ultimate come equipped with a standard 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 engine, which is also available on the AT4. Meanwhile, all models are compatible with the diesel 3.0-liter inline-six, which now produces 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque, up from 277 horsepower and 460 lb-ft. All Yukon versions are equipped with a 10-speed automatic gearbox and either rear or all-wheel drive. For 2025, the gearshifter will be replaced by a more user-friendly lever on the steering column instead of dashboard buttons. The AT4 model is designed for off-road use and comes with a 2-speed transfer case, 20-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, underbody skid plates, and an optional air suspension that can provide up to 2 inches of more ground clearance. While all three powertrains are capable, we believe the diesel's low-down torque and much higher fuel efficiency are best suited to the Yukon's mission and weight. The rear-wheel drive Yukon with the 5.3-liter V8 is the best for towing. It can support up to 8,400 pounds. The 6.2-liter V8 is rated at 8,200 pounds, which is the same as the Duramax diesel. The diesel's torque of 495 pound-feet is 35 more than the largest V8. The 2025 Yukons with the 5.3-liter V8 are rated at 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway, while the 6.2-liter vehicles are rated at 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. The diesel engine is predictably more efficient, with ratings of up to 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway.